A quick reminder to click subscribe now. Because of the medical nature of our content, YouTube has pulled many of our videos out of search and your video feed. So the only way to see our best content is to click the bell next to the subscribe button now. That will keep you updated and give you notifications about all of our videos, even the age-restricted ones.
Here is Karen Chen.
Flying into this opening triple Lutz, triple toilet combination.
Yeah!
Hi everyone, this is Olympic figure skater Karen Chen. I'm saying hi to Team Synergy. But yeah, if there's one thing I know, it is about diet and exercise. So stay dedicated to your hard work, diet, and keep up with the great work. So I love you guys so much and good luck with everything.
Okay, folks, to get rid of blackheads and blemishes the right way, get a comedone extractor kit. This one here is the best we could find. It has a high quality to price ratio. It's got solid steel instruments, a compact case for traveling, and a good variety of tools for all your needs, including a lancet for whiteheads. Using an extractor like this is the easiest and safest method, as it reduces the chances of scarring and secondary infection. Use the Amazon link below to get a kit of your very own.